Tuesday. It is April 20th, 2021. Let's go ahead and look at our jobs for today. So, first things first, we have our Zooms for today. We have A group, you just have office hours. B group, you guys have Spanish this morning at 10:10, as well as daily Zoom 12:30 to 1:30 and office hours. And cohort C, you have PE at 10:45, daily Zoom at 12:30, and then office hours 1:30 to 2:30. Now let's go ahead and look at our jobs for today. So really quickly, we have morning work, we have our grammar spiral review. We are nearing or approaching the end of third grade, and to help us prepare for that, we are going to go ahead, we are going to review some of the things that we talked about at the beginning of the year. And so we're going to look which of the following is not a regular verb: ride, heel, like, smother. A really great hint is if you are not sure if it's a regular verb, try adding ed to the end. If you cannot add ed to the end, then that is going to be an irregular verb. Go ahead and go through, answer questions 2, 3, 4, and 5 as well. Alrighty, and then we have our journal. It is Top 10 Tuesday. I'm really excited for this Top 10 Tuesday because for this Top 10 Tuesday, we are going to be talking about favorite characters. And so you can see here, I primarily use characters from movies, but they can also be from books as well. So, for example, Dogman would be a great example of a character. We have here Hermione Granger. She's in the book and the movie. We have Spider-Man. We have Descendants and all that good stuff. And so again, you are not limited to these three. You are just trying to decide your top 10 favorite characters. Then for the character you put as your number one choice, you are going to justify why they are your favorite with 5 to 6 sentences. You have sentence frames and starters on the right as always, and so go ahead and use those. Then after journal, you will see you have equivalent fractions. We are going to be wrapping up equivalent fractions today and tomorrow, making sure that we feel really, really confident. I'm going to use this time to check in with friends and make sure that we feel really, really confident so that way when we move on to our next part of fractions, we will feel perfectly scholarly and perfectly ready for it. All right. And so you're going to go ahead, you're going to use these dots again to mark A, B, C, or D, for which is the correct answer. It's going to be the same setup as you saw last Friday. So just keep that in mind while you are doing this job. All right. Then we have our spelling. Again, we are kind of looking at that sticky I as well as the T-U-R-E, which makes a ch sound. So our S-I, our T-I, and C-I make a sh sound, and our T-U makes a ch sound. And so using that information, we are going to go ahead, we are going to click and drag the circle to the correct spelling of each of these guys. All right, and so make sure if you need the audio, make sure you pause once I read a sentence. Miss Walsh, I read all the sentences all in the same audio, and so you just need to make sure you come back and pause in between sentences. Then you'll have 30 minutes of iReady reading. Go ahead, complete that. After you finish the 30 minutes of iReady reading, you're going to do your spiral math review. Again, this is just quick review to discuss the things that we have been looking at since the beginning of the school year. So you're going to see we have addition, we have comparing numbers, we have hundreds, tens, and ones place, and we also have a clock, and I'm curious to see what time everybody tells me it is based off the clock. All right, and then finally to finish up your day, you're gonna have those the remainder of those 60 minutes from Monday for SS Grin. So whatever you didn't finish Monday, that is what you're gonna finish today. Now, my B and C group, only my B and C group, you will also have a tall tales job. My A group, we will work on this in class today. If you're watching this after school, this will look familiar, so just keep that in mind. But my B and C group, this is what we are going to work on today, and we are going to discuss it in Zoom. So please make sure that you are on it and you get this done. And you're going to go ahead, you're going to go through, you're going to read or listen to the text, and then we're going to go through and we're going to answer these questions about Stephen Kellogg. All right. And once you have finished that, you guys are all good for the day. If you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, I hope to see you guys at office hours, and B and C, I will see you at Zoom. All right, bye D1. Have a great rest of your day.